Welcome to the technologycloset.com and our quick shots. Today we're going to show you how we can add Skydrive to our Sendto menu. Now for those of you who don't know what the Sendto menu is, I'm going to show you. First, let's go to our desktop. I have a file on my desktop. If I right mouse click on the file, I get a menu. One of the selections is Sendto. And as you can see, we have some items to select. I can send it to a compressed file. I can send it to my documents. I can mail it. Wouldn't it be nice, since I have Skydrive installed on the desktop, to be able to send that document to a particular folder in my Skydrive? Well, that's what we're going to do. We're going to add a selection here, or selections, for Skydrive. First, we have to do some preparation. Since we already installed Skydrive on the desktop, we need to verify where the directories are that we're going to be putting Skydrive. Let's open up our File Explorer. In the File Explorer, I'm going to show you where the Skydrive is located. Now, you see it on my end here because I have it set this as default. But for you folks that do not, you have to set it up according to the local computer, the user of the local computer. First, go to Local Disk C, expand it, select Users. In my case, this is the name of my computer at this time I'm logged on to. Expand it, and you see we have Skydrive listed there. We need to get to that directory, and I've already set it up so you can see this. In my case, these are my directories. This is the primary directory where Skydrive is located, and here are the individual folders. But we're jumping ahead. Let's go back and close down the file finder. Now that we know where Skydrive is located on our computer, we can now get to that Sendto menu selection. To do that, we are going to use the shell command. We put the shell command in the run box, and then to get to the run box, Windows key R. Put in the shell command and select OK. That brings us up to the Sendto menu. From here, we're going to add those directories that we had found earlier, and we're going to put it in a shortcut. Let's do that. First, let me get to my directories that I have saved to a little text file. I'm going to use these three because those are the three that are currently standard on my Skydrive on Windows 8. So what we're going to do from this Sendto menu is we're going to select New Item. We're going to select a shortcut. And then I'm going to copy and paste the directory where I want this particular link to go. In this case, the public directory. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it in the location for this particular shortcut. Then I'm going to select Next. I'm going to call it SD _ SD for Skydrive public. That way, when I see that, I'll know it's going to the Skydrive. And I'm finished. Now we're going to do that with all three of these. But for this demonstration, I'm only going to do the one. Let me close this down. Let me close down File Finder. And now we're going to right mouse click on that same document we had earlier. Go down to the Sendto menu. And now we have the Skydrive public. So I'm going to send it there by just simply clicking on it. It will now take that file, send it to the Skydrive, and it'll be there for me in the cloud. Let's go back to our start screen. Let's select Skydrive from the modern interface. And if you look on the public folder, we now have a 1. Well, that's it for this particular quick shot. please visit us at thetechnologycloset.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.